Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejala bari pe ya ketenat ki kampok yeng ba prestun tensang mentara sengi ulah banjur ba kemukro kahap apa upu usam Kejala Mekalaya. Kini kejingkren kelami na ubat tensang kum kejubab ya kejingkren jong Menteri Rangba Kejala Asam uhi menta biswap sarma apa ki dorbal thoan Kejala Asam haga sengi nengkong ba kesnong mukro kahap apa upu usam Kejala Asam. Ubat tensang ulah ong biang ru ba kejingkren kaput kan sedang biang shen ha ke ba ulah benrap ru ba Menteri Rangba Kejala day bankam ba kemukro kahap apa Kejala Asam ha ke juga poru ba tensong ulah pentip ba mau rengkat Menteri Rangba Kejala konrat kisang madang shen kelawan ikendo ya ke Menteri kitnat plat tengka jong keri kan Nirmala Sitharaman bat kini ke Menteri Sorkar Pedeng kala kular ban aji kerjaan pisah ya kini ke Kejala kat kum kejing dan kam bat ha kan kono por ba ke dan kam.
It is very unfortunate if he would have made the statement inside the house. But let me tell you one more thing, and very clearly, that Mukro area falls under Meghalaya. We were in Delhi these few days back, and as courtesy, we met the Honorable President, and also we met a few more leaders, including the Honorable Finance Minister. We discussed about the financial position that we have in the state.